To explain the bonding and structure of metallic crystals, we assume that the atoms are spherical. The spherical atoms can be packed together in different arrangements. Some arrangements are more efficient ways of packing spheres than others. Cubic close packing is 74% efficient. 74% of the space is occupied by atoms, while 26% is empty space. Cubic close packing makes the most efficient use of available space. This is the first layer of a crystal with its atoms arranged in cubic close packing. Click on the second layer button to see how the second layer stacks in cubic close packing. The second layer of atoms stacks in half of the depressions in the first layer. Click on the third layer button to see how the third layer stacks in cubic close packing. The third layer stacks in the depressions of the second layer, but the third layer is offset from both the first and second layers. The third layer is occupying sites above half the depressions in the first layer that were not occupied by the second layer. Click on the fourth layer button to see how the fourth layer stacks in cubic close packing. The fourth layer stacks in the depressions of the third layer. The fourth layer of atoms has the same arrangement as the first layer. This type of stacking pattern is called an ABC-ABC pattern, because the spheres in every fourth layer occupy the same position. Click on the Unit Cell button to see the smallest repeating unit in a crystal lattice, which is called the unit cell. The cubic close-packed arrangement has a face-centered cubic unit cell. Part of one atom in the first layer is contained within the unit cell. Parts of 6 atoms in the second layer are contained within the unit cell. Parts of 6 atoms in the third layer are contained within the unit cell. Part of one atom in the fourth layer is contained within the unit cell. The unit cell that results from cubic close packing is called a face-centered cubic unit cell because 6 atoms are occupying positions in the 6 cube faces. Now let's see how many atoms are contained within one face-centered cubic unit cell. A corner atom or sphere is shared by 8 unit cells. Thus only 1/8 of a corner atom lies within a given unit cell. A face atom or sphere is shared by 2 unit cells. Thus only 1/2 of a face atom lies within a given unit cell. In a face-centered cubic unit cell, there are 6 of the 1/2 face pieces, plus 8 of the 1/8 corner pieces. The number of atoms in one face-centered cubic unit cell is 6 times 1/2 for the face atoms, plus 8 times 1/8 for the corner atoms, which equals 4 atoms per unit cell.